Hi Beach, welcome back to my channel. We're doing something a little bit different today. I'm gonna be doing a styling video where I went ahead and bought a couple very spring summery articles of clothing from Fashion Nova and putting whole outfits together. Now, I haven't done this before, so I would genuinely appreciate any feedback down in the comments about whether you like this kind of video relative to the other traditional try on and review videos that I've done in the past. So I will put links to all of the pieces I modeled in this video in the order in which they appear in the description box down below, as well as the sizes of each article of clothing, and of course my personal height and measurements for your sizing reference. So let's just get right into it. So I paired a very high cut yellow bodysuit, and it looks kind of like swimsuit material, that spandex, shiny polyester material. It's pretty stretchy. My only issue with it is the back is super long. It's supposed to be like a thong bodysuit, but it's super long, so it kind of bunches up in the back a little bit. Like I literally have to shove it down into the shorts so it won't look like this, just like bunched. I thought it'd be a really cute summer look, very simple, very cute. We love the yellow. And this is my first pair of Bermuda shorts. I've never had shorts like these, which stink. Like you could wear this out on a hot day. It's just sexy enough, not too much, it's just enough. I'm trying to think of what shoes I would wear. I'd probably wear sneakers or black sandals or flats. Sperry's, so like boat shoes or loafers would look pretty cute with this. I love these pants, they are really comfortable. So of course I had to get regular jean Bermuda shorts since I've never had them before. So I had black and regular jean shorts because of this haul that I did. And I love how they make me look. They're so fitted and so cute and so comfortable. And it can be so hard to find any short jeans that don't roll up on your thighs, but this is like the perfect length. And this is another bodysuit. It is a strapless bodysuit with a rib textured detail going down it. And this is just a really cute casual look you can wear with sandals, flip-flops, Sperry's. Most of these looks are pretty casual. Okay, so I know my head is cut off, but I wanted to make sure you saw the full outfit. I did get these tan kind of patent leather boots that basically go with all of the outfits in this haul, but they go perfect with this outfit, and I just wanted to show you guys what that would look like. And here are the boots up close. They're like nude color. They literally are perfect for this outfit. I actually liked the yellow ribbed bodysuit so much I went and got this peachy mauve color. And they go really well with these pants. They're just casual linen pants in all nude color. They have pockets and they tie around the waist. And they fit very comfortably on me. But this is definitely a summer look. So I had this wonderful idea for an outfit, and you guys probably saw me wear this in my Snapchat and on my Instagram. But here it is, real time. These are linen shorts, like the striped ones. They tie in the front. They got big pockets in the front. And I paired it with this mauve bodysuit. And it's very lacy. It's supposed to like look like lingerie. And I am wearing a nude bra underneath this. I would recommend wearing pasties or a nude color bra or whatever you want to do around your chesticles. You can free the nipple, do what you want. I'm not going to tell you how to dress, but that's what I would do because of the sheeriness. But it's a very simple, cute look. You can wear it with those nude boots that I got. They're a lovely accent to the outfit. So I got this beautiful high-low maxi dress, and I really wanted to style it with these boots because it looks so cute and spring summery, fresh. The back part is like the perfect length to wear with these boots. Perfect, because it doesn't drag on the ground in them. Here's the front. It's like a blue collared shirt with open sleeves on both sides. I would probably, if I went out with this, I would probably need to pin it, or yeah, I'd probably have to pin it right here or else my bra would show. And it's not super short in the front. It's very comfortable. I'm pretty sure this is cotton because the material is so soft. But I love this look. What you think? I'm summer ready. I don't know about y'all, but I'm summer ready now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you let me know down in the comments what your favorite outfit from this video was, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And remember to watch the curve on your way out.